of them. I need to work with
Put it back in the pile, please. Throw the pile. Throw the pile. There you go. Thank you.
I don't know either one of them. Yeah, okay. That name's familiar. I've seen that. I've seen it. Did you do other races? It's coming. Is there a guy?
Turn to the blue zone, please. Turn to the blue zone. On the pile. On the pile. On the pile. Thank you. Back up. The pile, please. Back in the pile. Back in the pile. Thank you.
Hey, Mark. I know, right?
Go.
What's your time?
Come on, Laura, you can do it.
Big push,
Back
you
in the
got
pile,
seconds.
please. Back in the pile. Back in the pile.
You can catch her.
Back in the pile.
Okay, go to work.
Push, big push.
Get that running going.
Back in the pile, please.
Come on, Laura.
Top
This
of
is
the pile.
your game right here.
Where's she running college? Alright. No, I'm looking at that.
Top of the pile. Top of the pile. Top of the pile. Top of the pile.
Are they one side or
On top of the pile. On top of the pile. On top. 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 Thank you.
Good job, Bowtie.
Jacket full, ankle breaker. A lot of this. It's your body language.